दिस टाइम एंड एरा, जैसे कि हम सब जानते ही है कि लॉकडाउन में जो भी कुछ हो रहा है, रजत, नो, अ लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिविटी अराउंड, फिल्में नहीं चली, मेंटल हेल्थ की बातें हो रही है सुशांत के बाद, बहुत सारे लोग इसकी बातें कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे आर टेकिंग देयर प्रोफेशन सो सीरियसली, गुड बी द रीजन.
Yeah, I think major problems is whenever it comes to financial stability or your professional career, shaping up the way, और तो हमारी एक तो हमारी सबकी अपनी अपनी expectations होती है. We all see our careers or our jobs and everything go a certain way, in a certain direction. अगर वो हमने जैसा सोचा है कभी नहीं होता, तो that is a change. That is a sudden thing which is not something we were expecting or hoping for. So it's very easy to understand this thing, but it's a little, tough to actually implement it. That don't take it that seriously. अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ, so we are just human beings. हम हर डायरेक्शन से, हर पॉसिबिलिटी से चीज नहीं देख सकते, फ्यूचर नहीं देख सकते. सो मे बी जो अब हुआ है, it could be something completely different from what you had expected in the longer run. So in the bigger picture, everything will make sense. It's just that right now you don't know how things are because हम बहुत short sighted होते हैं. हम इतना दूर का देख नहीं पाएंगे जो maybe the universe has planned for us. So those things, they're very easy to say. Even I say these things, but I've started. It's 5 years. I've really read a lot, understood a lot, and tried to change my perspective towards life. That today I genuinely dil se believe in this. So I think it's just a process. You and obviously मैं गौतम बुद्ध तो बन नहीं गया एक 5 साल में. So धीरे धीरे it's a process. But then if you are uh, true to your heart, and if you understand these things basics right, then you can eventually get into the in the direction where you can actually achieve a lot of peace all the time, no matter what the circumstances are.
बट रजत, since we are talking about mental health and all of that, आपकी जिंदगी में कभी ये फेज आया है कि जब अकेला, you were staying alone here?
I was initially, matlab, they were roommates, but family wasn't here. But then now it's been 5 years. My family shifted to Bombay, so now I live with my parents.
ओके, उसके पहले कभी ऐसा फेज आया, जब शायद काम नहीं मिल रहा है, रिजेक्शन की वजह से अकेलापन हो रहा है, उसकी वजह से मेंटली यू वर डिस्टर्ब एंड डिप्रेशन के शायद, कुछ भी आपको लगा कि नो दिस इज डिप्रेशन और समथिंग लाइक
यार एक तो मैं बहुत बोलता हूँ, तो मैं
दैट?
बहुत मुश्किल है मुझे डिप्रेशन होना. तो मैं इवन व्हेन थिंग्स वर नॉट हैपनिंग, इवन देन 2010 से 2015 का टाइम व्हिच आई एम सेइंग आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ हार्श इमोशन. उस टाइम पे भी डिप्रेशन कभी नहीं था. I've always had strong emotions, but they've always been very in the moment. Like I would feel that for a few hours, maybe a day, but then I'll be this. So this maybe I feel blessed that maybe organically, internally I am this, and that I really bless my stars कि मैं ऐसा हूँ. But otherwise, they've been like emotional ups and downs, but then they've just been momentarily. Like it's not like for the long run I'm into depression or anything. But yeah, I'm so glad that now we are in a time when we are talking about this. So uh, because it's very necessary. It's very important for us to understand. क्योंकि अपनी country में अभी तक it's still like a little bit of a taboo. Like अभी भी मतलब अगर किसी को if mentally कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, if they have depression, anxiety or anything, तो people are very quick to judge, and they'll be like very quick to say कि अरे ये पागल हो गया है. या if you go to a psychiatrist, then it'll be like पागल के डॉक्टर के पास. So that comes from a certain conditioning. We've come from, as a society, we've come a certain way, in a certain direction. But then I would not be ashamed at all, not even 1%, if tomorrow I have anxiety issues, and then if I have to go to a psychiatrist, I'll be very okay with that. It's like you have fever and you go to a doctor and you get your medicines, you get fine. Like so, it's as simple as that. But then I'm glad people are finally understanding this.
Yes. And since you've been in this industry for 10 long years, what is your take on nepotism? I mean, Have you faced it? Do you think it's there? And what do you think?
13 years in द इंडस्ट्री. मैं बॉम्बे आया था, उसको
हाँ.
13 साल हो गए हैं, उड़ान को 10 साल हो गए हैं. सो 10 years फॉर उड़ान, 13 years फॉर रजत बरमेचा एज एन एक्टर. एंड इन 13 सालों में मैंने देखा है. सो अगेन, लाइक इट्स अ वेरी वेरी, so I somewhere now over the years I've understood कि कोई भी side के, कोई भी topic के, कोई भी situation के, there's not one पहलू to it. There are different angles to everything. Different people will see things differently. So nepotism, first of all, it's not no way that we can say it doesn't exist. Obviously, it exists. It exists everywhere. It exists in Bollywood for sure. Bollywood is also a very limelight wala industry, so we always see it. It's right in front of our eyes. But it happens in corporate world also, that everyone, we all know that. But then, the problem is not nepotism in particular. Nepotism is something ki XYZ person has a family member, niece, nephew, daughter, son, whatever, grandson, grandkid, and because they have made a mark for themselves, they are successful enough to make it easy for them. They do it. Totally fair. I see no problem in that. I feel अगर अगर कल को मैं बहुत बड़ा स्टार बन जाता हूँ, ठीक है, that I am, like for example today you take a Shah Rukh Khan, he's such a big star. If he wants to help his son, his daughter to achieve something, uh, would that be nepotism? Yes. But then is it wrong? No. I don't see that like him helping his kids to be wrong. The problem comes where to get to that level, if you're putting someone else down, or if you're affecting someone else's career or else negatively, that's the problematic part. So I have a problem with that. Don't try and put someone else down because you want your people to succeed. But if you're not doing that, then it's completely fair. So I think groupism and putting other people down is a bigger problem than nepotism.